Number 16. We have two triangles, JQL and PQR. We know that angle J is congruent to angle P. J is congruent to angle P. And we need to prove that these two triangles are congruent. There are some rules to determine if a triangle is congruent. For example, we have the side. If all sides are equal, which in this case we cannot know. But first, let's see the symbols. This that looks like a less than means angle. This is equal. And this is congruent, like this one. If we look at the options, B, but we cannot determine by the sides if it is congruent, because we do not know the values for the sides. QL and QR could be equal, but we do not know. So B and C cannot be the right answers. Because again, for the side JK and PQ could be equal, but we do not know. And there's no way to knowing. Now for option D, this says that all angles are equal. If that would be true, that does not mean that the triangle is congruent. The congruency means that two figures or more are exactly the same in size and shape. These triangles could have the same angles, but they could have different size. One could be bigger, so D cannot be the right answer. Which leaves us to one option. So we know J is congruent to P, and angle L is congruent to angle R. And then we need one side that is next to one angle that we know that is congruent, which is PR. This side is equal to JL. And that's one way of proving that this triangle is equal, because we have two angles that are congruent and one side that is equal. The right answer is A.